Have you ever had a situation where your vehicle is sliding on ice or snow, unable to get out? Now you can purchase a new revolutionary product called Ice Traction. Sprinkle a little behind your tires and it'll get you out of any slippery situation.
Like an umbrella for rain. Ice Traction for ice and snow.
Ice Traction can be used on any slippery surface to provide instant traction, such as steps, ramps, driveways, or parking decks. Go to our website, icetraction.com. That's traction with an X to order yours today. Help protect you and your family from a potential injury due to a slip and fall on ice or snow.
Mini Ice Traction for emergency times.
Ice Traction. It's there when you need it. Go to our website, icetraction.com. That's ice traction with an X.com to order yours today.